Even at my age, at the age of 63, I can still do. It's because she can.
Actually, I'm very blessed to join this seminar sa totoo lang. I thought na more on product demonstration lang, but I really learned a lot. And I'm very, very thankful na nagkaroon ako ng idea.
Magkaroon ng yung lakas ng loob to start. Kasi yun yung wala sa akin.
Siguro you have to build your own system para ma-perform mo lalo yung work mo. Or para mas may flow, mas madali mo magawa yung trabaho mo.
Medyo naglawak ko talaga yung idea ko sa marketing, about kung paano ko mag-build ng isang business.
Build your own trust. Kailangan po talaga yan na susundin po natin yung kung ano yung nagiging goal natin sa magiging future.
Sa mga nagdadalawang isip dyan, na mag-start to build your business, start now.
If you want to grow, if you want to learn more, you need to join this seminar. It's not about lang the product na nasa Shikan, but at the same time, yung network and testimony, stories, and even mga techniques, strategies na pwede natin matutunan.
Pero I swear, lalo na sa mga crafters talaga, you will learn something. Kasi tinuturuan tayo dito paano mag-market, paano i-position yung products, and how to build our own system.
I am inviting those who are very creative and even if you don't have the idea of having a business, once you attend this kind of seminar, you will learn and you will have the confidence and you have to believe that you can do it. It's because she can offers a lot, the skills, how to create everything, you have it all.
Be part of Shek and Go Cebu and Bacolod.